In this video, we'll be doing list2 centered average in Python. The prompt is return the centered average of array ints, which we'll say is the mean average of the values, except ignoring the largest and smallest values in the array. If there are multiple copies of the smallest value, ignore just one copy, and likewise for the largest value. Use int division to produce the final average. You may assume the array is length 3 or more. So as you can see here, it's going to cut off this 1 and this 100, since that's the largest and smallest number. And then we're going to be adding this, so it's 5 plus 4 is 9, divided by 3, since there's 3 values remaining, then it's going to print out 3. And same for the rest of these, going to chop off 1 and 10 here, and negative 10 and 0 here. So what we're going to do here is going to sort the array list, the array, to make sure that we can actually get the largest and the smallest value at the beginning and end. And then we're going to store like the total value of the array, and then we're going to be basically using that divided by a number, the length divided minus 2, since we're going to be removing 2 values from the array, and that's going to give us our average. So first we're going to do nums.sort to sort the array, since the nums is the name of our array. And then we're going to be making a total variable, total equals 0, just to store the total value of all the values in the array besides the first and last one. So then we're going to make a for loop. So we're going to do for I in range 1 comma len of nums minus 1. So it's going to chop off the first and last values, and it's going to skip the zero index and the last index. Then we're going to do total plus equals nums bracket I. What this is going to do is it's going to basically take nums, and then it's going to take the value of the range. So let's say it's going to take nums 1. It's going to get to the first index, so it's going to be 0, 1. It's going to get 2, then it's going to get 3, then 4, and it's not going to get this one since that's not included in the range. And it's going to add them to total. Then I'm going to do make a variable average is equal to total divided by parenthesis len nums minus 2, and make sure to keep this in a parenthesis so that it doesn't just divide it by len, the length of nums, and then subtract 2 from that. So this way you actually take the length of nums and then subtract 2 from it, which gives you the proper average. Then we're just going to return average, and this should give you the correct answer. Thank you for watching.